You know what? Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video of quarantine content, and today we're gonna be doing a taste test of the limited edition tiramisu flavor cream. So this is what they look like. You know what? This is what the package looks like. We started wrong already. Here's what tiramisu is really quickly if you don't know. It's an Italian dessert. It is made of lady fingers, dipped in coffee, layered with a whipped mixture of eggs, sugar, and mascarpone cheese, flavored with cocoa. Let's just try it out. Okay, smell test first. It's a light smell of cheese, but maybe because I just heard it had cheese. But that's what they look like. Let's take a look at the actual cookie. Hold on, this one's broken. Okay, this one broke too. All right, but that's what the cream looks like. A couple different layers there. We're gonna go ahead, since I already touched all on this, we're gonna go ahead and just, yeah, let's just start the taste test. Let's see. Tiramisu, huh? Here we go. Okay. All right. Here's the thing. I don't drink coffee. I don't like the smell of coffee. I have no interest in coffee. Everybody's tried to make me drink coffee. I don't like it. So I taste the coffee beans because I know the smell. You know, I have parents who grew up with smelling it all those years. Wow, that is a strong coffee bean taste. I have had coffee bean type stuff before, like candy, and I didn't like it. Yeah. Let me try this in the milk. No, dippy dip. Please, God, for the love of everything holy in heaven and earth, let's make this work. All right. Okay, so this is not for me. It's not nasty. I've had a couple of Oreos before, like that berry one I did a few years back. I didn't like that. That was nasty. I would say this is not for me, but I can see why some people who, especially if you're a coffee lover or you're a tiramisu lover, you like this. I have never had tiramisu, so I can't tell you exactly if this hits it or not, but it definitely has a coffee bean flavor with it. It is lightly sweet. I don't know about the whole ladyfinger thing. It might be in here. I don't know, but the coffee bean is strong in this one. I'm trying to be as fair as possible because I don't hate them. If they were in the house and I was quarantined and I had nothing to eat, wait, I'm gonna go with the pass on that as far as buying them. But if you're interested, I got them at Target. They delivered them while I had some other stuff ordered, so I got them in a few days. But if you want a better one, in my opinion, on the back of this package, the dark chocolate Oreos are amazing. You see what they said? You've got to try this. Definitely got to try them. I don't know if I've done a video on those. I mean, it's not trending or anything, so probably won't do anytime soon. But I've had those. I like dark chocolate. Those are good. So that's my recommendation. But there you go, tiramisu flavored cream. They just came out like a week or so ago. So do you like the dessert tiramisu? Let me know in the comments. And if you don't, well, what's your favorite dessert? And if you tried these and you have an opinion about them, well, let me know too. That's gonna be all. That was the taste test. Y'all wanted it quick and sweet. You got it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.